What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Going to go over for our friend Matic. Continues to follow our corrective bearish wave count. Currently sitting at 118, down 3.3 on the day. See, market cap 10.14, baby. 24-hour volume 572 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit or Bitkit, make sure to grab these bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Matic. So we were looking for an ending diagonal, which we were calling in the Discord, into a wave 5 before putting in that wave B. Now, of course, if Bitcoin continues to break down, then Matic will follow suit. It just means this wave 5 is not finished yet, but we are looking for that wave B. So if we do bounce from here, we do have massive resistance at $1.30, which could definitely act as a rejection zone. Also here at 122. Sorry, just going to quickly remove these. So what I'm looking for Matic is putting in a right shoulder. So we have a nice left shoulder head. So now I'm looking for that wave B to put in a right shoulder and then break down in the wave C to take you down most likely to the 80 to 90 cent range for the price of Matic. The daily indicators, the money flow has come all the way back down to the bottom section. So we could definitely see a bounce soon. The RSI hasn't quite reset. So what I think is likely, we'll see a small bounce and then we'll roll over and come down in the wave C. So far it's playing out to a T. We love to see it. ETH, we may have an overshooting wave B. It's either an overshooting wave B or this was the 3 right here. Here's your 4 and then your final wave 5. But as of right now, I'm looking at an overshooting wave B. But either way, I think it will bring you down to about 1200 or 1100. So we may have a leading diagonal into a wave 1. Let me grab my Elliott wave here. So we have a wave 1, we ABC'd into a 2, and then you're looking to come down in a 3, 4, 5 of a potential wave C to the downside. That could easily take you down to the $1,200 range. We got rejected by the top of the channel. So what I think you're looking at here is a wave 1, 2, this is a 3, 4, looking to come down in a wave 5 to complete the wave 1 of the wave 3. Let me change this quickly here. Minuscule, change the color to red. Perfect. So that's what I'm looking at for the price of Ethereum, that we will see continuation down to about 1200. The bulls will be focused on us creating a higher high, which I said I think is very unlikely. We have a double top pattern. RSI has crossed the 50 line. Money flow is crossing the 50 line. Higher likelihood they're going to come back down to where you started. We're just sitting on the 55 EMA. So what I think is likely, as I showed previously, is we're going to come all the way back down to this ascending support of this ascending triangle in either an ABC, where you've come down in a wave A, overshooting wave B, you come down in a wave C, or the 5-wave move is complete, and this is your wave A coming down, wave B, wave C. Either way, we're currently short Ethereum. We sniped the top, already locked in quite a bit of juicy gains, and I'll continue to let it run. I've already moved my stop loss to break even. Currently, we're short Bitcoin and Ethereum from basically the tops here that I gave signals for in the Discord. So in the short term for Matic, we may put in one more lower low because it looks like Ethereum and Bitcoin right now are putting in wave 4s. But I do think this wave B is coming. We have beautiful bullish divergence on the 4-hour RSI as well as the money flow index. So we could definitely push up in that wave B and then see continuation to the downside and basically put in that right shoulder, possibly up to about $1.28 to $1.30, and then come down to the 80 to 90 cent range in a potential wave 2 before seeing continuation to the upside. That's what I'm predicting. That's what I think is likely. We'll have to see how it plays out. Crypto can humble you very, very quickly. So always try to stay vigilant. So make sure to sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. Check out my full length tutorials. Grab those bonuses. All links are in the comments and the description. I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals. As I said, we're in 2 shorts right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto news, member profits, Mahado, all plays, all coming in at 10 bucks a month. You really can't beat it. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.